guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete your in-game overlay in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to delete your in-game overlay but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. Just go ahead and open your library first. Once you're in your library, just find a game, and after that just look at your right corner where you can find a gear icon. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you can see options like remove from favorites, add to, remove from, manage, and properties. Tap on properties, and now you can see options like general, updates, controller, game recording, and privacy. Tap on privacy and make sure you find in-game overlay data at the bottom, and right beside it you can find the option that says delete. So if you just tap on delete and tap on confirm, you would successfully be able to delete your in-game overlay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.